Hey there, have you been looking for a brand new home in Newark? Welcome to 1988 High Bridge. Come on in. Don't mind our dust while we build your dream home, but take a look at your brand new granite countertops. And then also, if you didn't like those, you could design one of your brand new houses with either of these two packages. Don't mind me, I just wanted to show you this awesome upgrade that we have, an on-demand hot water heater, so you'll never run out of hot water during the holidays. Come take a look at your first floor master. You'll have plenty of room for a king-size bed and nightstands and an attached closet. Included in this bathroom is a seat so you don't have to stand while you shower. I know you love that house, so give me a call at 330-551-1047. I hope to talk to you soon.